Hello everyone, if you are an Android user, then I will tell you one feature of WhatsApp that you should be aware of. It is a very quick feature of WhatsApp that is quite useful, and it depends on person to person how you use it and when you use it, right? So this is read all feature. What you're going to do is open your WhatsApp and tap on the top right three dots in the corner, right? And you will have the option of read all. Now what it is going to do is the chats that are left to be read, right, it will make sure that all the chats which you have on your WhatsApp are read, right? So you tap on read all, and now see, no message will be left to read. And you can see on the screen, as I tap on it, there is no option of 1 2 3 messages left to be read, right? And that's a quick feature that you should be aware of. See you in the next video. Tada.